payong sa mga cartoons.
Hey guys, it's me again, Anne Tristine, and welcome back to another plant vlog. Before we start, gusto ko lang kayong pasalamatan lahat because yung first plant vlog natin, as of today, nasa 34,000 views na siya and counting. So thank you very much. That's actually our plant haul where we featured mga indoor plants na kaya sa low to medium light. Today, what we're going to feature naman are different varieties of Philodendron. So to join me again, I would like to invite Miss Liza, ang head plantita ng Hardin ng Bituin. They are located dito sa Betis, Guagua, Pampanga, but they also have a satellite pickup office sa Makati.
Hi, nice to be here again. Thanks for inviting us to guest in your vlog.
Ipapakita niya sa atin yung 20. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? May 80? Baka mali-mali yung sinasabi ko sa
Baka
vlog.
more pa actually.
More
so,
than
like,
80?
If we're talking about all the species ng Philodendron all over the world, at saka malamang marami pang hindi na-discover.
We're going to feature 20, but we group them to 4. Tama ba?
Around 4 groups, yeah. Okay, so this group, we're gonna call them like the colored na group kasi yung pinaka-special feature nila is their colors. This one, ito si Silver Sword. Kasi dahil patulis siya. And it's called silver. If you notice yung hue niya, it's not like the usual leaf green that you see. So, they call it Silver Sword. And
Parang less saturation siya.
oo. Para siyang ano nga, tama. Para may filter siya na pang vintage. It's quite rare. It has this interesting shape and I guess like collectors really love it kasi nga parang humihiwalay yung color niya in your garden.
Before we proceed to the second variety, Philodendron care tips.
Generally, favorite sila kasi hindi sila drama queen. They're very easy to take care of. Actually, hindi naman, you don't have to neglect them, but they can tolerate. Well, ideally, it's medium to bright indirect light. So, again, wag tutok sa sunlight kasi masisunog yung leaf nila. And then, watering naman, it's not necessarily a specific schedule. It's really about feeling yung soil nila na, you know, let the top soil dry out a bit. And then, that's just the time na i-water mo sila ulit. So, don't overwater them kasi they tend to, yun na yung nag-yellow siya, ganyan. Okay, ito si Philodendron Moonlight because of the
Yellowish.
yes. So yung tumutubo niyang mga leaves sa taas, it's almost neon. So moonlight siya, like from afar nag-stand out yung color nung yellow niya, and then as nag-grow old siya, so it turns into this green. So as you can see, the younger leaves, they're lighter.
Philodendron, sabi mo hindi sila drama queen, so you could recommend them for beginners. Beginner plantitas.
Yes, I think so. And what's good with them is fast growers sila. So, you know, that parang gratification that you get kapag meron na siyang madali siyang mag-baby. Okay, our next plant is Orlando. Okay, so si Orlando, what's special? Again, like with the colors, is this
Para siyang may heart.
orangey,
Nasa gitna pa
red.
naman siya.
Yes.
Is it just the mga bagong leaves or sadyang kung sa gitna niya?
Parang
dun may red?
yung mga sa top part niya, siya yung nagaganyan na color. Actually, makita mo like yung mismong parang whatever you call, parang yung skin na pinagbalatan niya.
Oo, ang ganda.
Even the stem, colored siya.
Ito na ba yung pinakamalaki na to?
No, it grows bigger pa.
Sa mga gustong bumili ng philodendrons, you should be prepared na it's gonna grow. It's gonna be big talaga,
kaya
no?
it's, binabantayan mo rin yung roots niya kapag if you think na outgrow na niya yung pot niya, then it means it's time to repot and to give it room for growth. Ito naman si Lemon Lime Philodendron. I forgot to mention that philodendrons merong non-climbing and climbing types.
Okay.
So si Lemon Lime is one of those climbing types.
Kaya meron siyang pole.
Yeah. So yung natural habitat nila is kumakapit sila sa mga trees sa forests and jungles. And then that's how they, kumbaga, they achieve their maximum growth kapag kumaakit sila.
So this is the lemon lime kasi
Look at the
hulaan
color.
natin because of the color. So our next group naman are, sabi ni Miss Liza, yung mga parang fingers natin sila.
This one is Xanadu. So basically, this is a non-climbing type. Para siyang may fingers na marami.
Meron bang variegated na ganito or?
Yeah, meron din. Actually, it's more parang, I think they call it golden Xanadu. So parang mas light yung ano niya.
Okay.
Yung color niya. Goldeii.
Goldeii.
Goldeii. Yeah, so it's also fingery, as you can see. And what's super interesting is, parang as it grows older, parang dumadami, parang nagsisircle yung mga leaves niya pag ganyan, and dumadami siya.
Okay.
So,
like this one, hindi pa siya full circle, oh. Parang may kulang pa dito. So, kapag mas older na siya, like
dumadami
this
siya,
one,
yeah.
oh, parang circle na talaga.
So, this is pretty rare also and really special with that. And yeah, it's one of the non-climbing philodendrons.
It's rare nga, no? Parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito.
Yeah, yung pangalan pala. Okay, this one is Radiatum. And as you can see, kapatid siya talaga ni Xanadu. But mas malaki siya and there's something different sa shape ng leaves niya kapag tinabi mo siya kay Xanadu.
Ang ganda! Ay, kakaiba siya. Para siyang pang-Canada.
So pag baby siya, pang-Canada siya.
So, ito yung medyo naiba sa kanila ng pattern. Yung sa edges niya.
So as it grows older, nag-split yung kanyang fingers and turns into like...
It's gonna be like that then. But still, it's a bit different pa rin from the first ones that we featured.
And it's a climbing philodendron. So that's why we got this pole here.
Okay, now we move on sa paborito ng marami. This is Philodendron Selloum, right?
They're a favorite for interiors. Kasi they can tolerate not super dark light, low light naman. And I think they're just really pretty.
It's gonna be as big as this one. And sobrang green niya, no?
Yes.
Green na green siya. And ang ganda ng
Healthy
texture niya.
and
Oo.
like crisp.
Parang fake, pero ang ganda.
This is Squamiferum. It has a really interesting shape to it.
Oo nga. Mas konti lang yung parang patulis niya sa gilid.
Look at the stem.
Oo.
Like you said, para siyang rambutan nga naman.
Oo
diba?
nga, para siyang pang flower. Okay, now we're on to our fourth group. Ito actually favorite ko. It's one of the reasons why I requested Miss Liza din to do the Philodendron variants kasi parang ang pretty ng mga heart-shaped na plants.
So this is the Philodendron Mican. So it starts na maliliit lang sila, and what's special about it is parang velvety yung texture nila.
Is
And
it
then yung
parang may
color
pink
nila.
siya?
Yeah, para siyang para siyang nag-glow in the dark yung effect ng leaf niya kapag pag maliit siya.
Oo.
And then minsan meron din medyo may pagka-purplish na maroon.
You talk about propagation earlier, pinropagate nyo. Can you give us the basic principles pag gusto mo mag-propagate ng philodendron?
Okay, for philos naman, yung dun sa mga nodes niya, basically that's where you, kumbaga yung may part doon na ikakat mo siya. And then, as much as possible, syempre wala pa siyang roots, diba? So, pwede mo naman siyang, kumbaga, i-ano na kagad on a medium. Pero yung chance of survival niya, medyo so-so, kasi nga wala pa siyang roots. So, sometimes yung iba, it works for them, parang water propagation. Ilalagay mo na nila sa water, and then, maybe with some mixture of fruiting hormones.
For how
ganyan.
long?
It can take weeks.
Depends
until makita
kung
mo siya na mag-grow na siya ng roots.
yung roots.
And
Okay.
then that's the time you put it in a pot. Para at least, pag ni-pot mo na siya, may roots na, it's more stable.
We will talk more about propagation on a different vlog kasi baka mahabang usapan yun.
Philodendron Giganteum or elephant ear. Minsan, ang tawag sa kanya taro.
Oo nga,
Kasi-
yung gabi daw.
Gabi-gabihan siya kasi it's not really gabi, pero it reminds you of gabi.
Ang galing. Alam mo yung parang payong sa mga cartoons.
Okay, our next plant is the green emerald plant. So what's super nice about it is the heart shape niya. And it's a climber also. So it climbs sa wild sa mga trees. So it's nice also to put a stick
Pole.
sa kanya. Yeah, a pole na pwede siyang mag-climb so that it can grow. And it's super fast growing. Like this one lang, may dalawa na siya kagad na babies.
Oo. Ay, ang ganda. Pakita ko nga sa kanila yung picture ko na nakatakip yung face ko.
The name is super fitting. It's Philodendron Glorious.
It's
As
so
you can
glorious.
See, it is
Oo
very
nga.
glorious. And it has this beautiful velvety dark green leaf. And yeah, parang itong ano din niya, yung lines niya, it's super nice, super jungle feels talaga.
Philodendrons are giving me, lalo na yung mga malalaki, giving me the feels na parang Alice in Wonderland.
Yes.
Feeling ko maliit siya na dahon, tapos lumiit din ako. Pag bumili ka ng lupa, tapos plant lover ka, siguro maliit lang yung papatayo mong bahay. Puro garden na lang.
Pag lover ka, puro garahe.
Oo.
This one is Melano. Philodendron Melano. So again, it has the same velvety texture.
Oo.
And actually, related siya kay previous kanina, si Glorious. So yung shape lang sila nagkatalo. But again, it gives you that Jumanji feels.
But you could buy ganito na medyo baby pa, no?
Yes.
Mas maliliit pa.
Would you like to see the baby?
This is the baby. Grabe!
So imagine the joy of parenthood from that.
Grabe! So from this, tapos dalaga na yung anak mo. Dalaga na yung plant baby mo. How long? Months and years?
It could take years, for
It
sure.
could take
Like,
years.
para sa ganitong talaga, mature.
Pero, if they want big na agad, they could also buy big na agad. Depends naman sa preference.
We had Glorious, we had Melano Gloriosum, and this is
Gloriosum.
Again, it has the same feels. Parang mas lang siya, hindi siya kasing haba. It's more heart-shaped. And medyo mas matambok yung this part niya.
I love yung pagkaka-heart shape niya. Ito yung baby niya. So, propagate ka lang ng propagate, no? Before you know it, ang dami mo ng philodendrons.
This is Philodendron Burle Marx. Tawag sa kanya. Basically, what's nice about it is climber din siya. And it grows super lush. And lumalaki din actually yung leaves niya. Almost the same as the green emerald na we discussed. It's heart-shaped pero elongated siya.
And napansin ko sobrang labbong niya.
Yes.
Hindi katulad ng iba na pa, tatlo-tatlong stem lang.
Oo.
This one has so many stems.
So if appreciate plants na lush, go with Burle Marx. Okay, ito favorite siya ng mga plantitas. It's called the Bilietiae.
Bakit siya favorite?
One, I think it's because it grows the huge leaves and then it's super lush and meron siyang pagka-alien-ish na dating.
Alien?
Yes. And look at the stems.
Oo nga.
yung color
It's
niya.
parang orangey siya.
Yes.
Ang ganda.
This is a green Congo Philodendron. It's a different kind kasi mas pahaba siya than the usual. A friend of mine said niya, para siyang green Congo na Melanie Marquez kasi long legs.
Actually, it resembles for me, parang siyang pinaghalong banana plant na heart shape siya dito.
Yes, that's true.
It looks like a banana
kasi
leaf,
pahaba
no?
siya.
So the next one is very social. Pangalan pa lang. What's the name?
This is the Philodendron Birkin. Well, as you know, plants are the new handbags.
Yes. Reminds me of the handbag.
So,
Okay.
what's super special is yung variegation ng leaves niya. It has this really fine, stripy details.
Para siyang Van Gogh painting. And it grows big din.
Hindi, ito nag-grow, so it's just a tabletop plant, but it can grow lusher.
Okay. So for the ones na gusto mag-philodendron but not wanting a big plant, you go for Birkin.
Okay, next sa philodendron group natin na medyo, like when you first saw it, sabi mo parang medyo naligaw siya sa philodendron group. This is, they call it the fat belly or Philodendron Martianum. Basically, fat belly kasi nga, look at the stems. It's a lot fatter than usual.
Oo nga. Usually, ganito ka-fat kapag big na yung plant. But
Ganyan, yeah.
small pa lang siya and it's fat already. Okay, so for the most awaited plant giveaway, I told you guys na pag umabot tayo ng 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a plant. And thankfully, surpassed na the 2,000 subscriber milestone. So in partnership with Hardin and Bituin, we're going to give away Golden Pothos. So yan, it's very beautiful. Nagte-trail siya. This one can be picked up sa Pampanga.
Yes,
Sa-
Pampanga
sa-
in San Fernando sa Souk along Lazatin Boulevard. And if you're Manila-based, you can pick it up in our furniture store in Makati.
Magjo-join lang kayo ng giveaway. Of course, if you're willing to pick it up sa Pampanga or sa Makati or have it delivered from Makati or Pampanga to your place. It's very easy to win. All you have to do is to like Hardin ng Bituin on Facebook and follow them on Instagram. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment lang kayo ng done down below so I could consolidate the entries. Thank you so much for joining us
Nice to be
today.
here again.
Thank you for watching, guys, and watch out for our next plant vlogs pa. Next naman, we're going to show you alocasia.
Alocasias, yes.
Yes, alocasia. And we're going to teach you also how to propagate. So watch out for our next episodes. Bye!